Tech anxiety. Are upgrades messing with your mind? In the ever-evolving world of technology, it seems like every day brings a new update, device, or system promising to revolutionize our lives. But while innovation can be exciting, it can also feel overwhelming. Have you ever found yourself staring at your smartphone or computer, unsure of how to navigate the latest interface, or wondering why the familiar buttons have vanished? If so, you're not alone. This feeling is known as tech anxiety, and it's more common than you might think. Do upgrades make you feel lost? Picture this. You open your phone to respond to a message, but the app looks different, and you can't find the feature you need. What was supposed to save you time now takes twice as long to figure out. Frustrating, isn't it? That disorientation is a hallmark of tech anxiety. Why does new and improved feel chaotic? While tech upgrades are meant to improve our experience, they often leave us grappling with unnecessary complexity. A new operating system might come with advanced features, but if those features disrupt your workflow or feel unintuitive, they're more a hindrance than a help. Am I the only one feeling this way? You're not. Countless people find themselves dreading updates and upgrades, not because they dislike technology, but because they struggle to keep up with its relentless pace. Tech anxiety isn't a sign of incompetence, it's a reaction to rapid change. Why upgrades trigger anxiety? At its core, tech anxiety stems from the fear of losing familiarity. When something you've mastered is replaced with an unfamiliar system, it can feel like starting over. Add to that the constant expectation to stay up to date, and it's no wonder so many people feel overwhelmed. But here's the truth. While upgrades can be challenging, they're also opportunities to grow. With the right mindset and tools, you can turn tech anxiety into confidence. What can you do about it? So, how can you make peace with the ever-changing landscape of technology? The answer lies in adopting a proactive approach. Here's how. Start small. Explore updates in manageable chunks rather than diving in all at once. Focus on understanding one or two new features at a time. Seek help. Don't hesitate to consult tutorials, forums, or tech-savvy friends. Most platforms offer user guides to help you adapt more smoothly. Practice patience. Give yourself grace when learning something new. It's okay to make mistakes. Growth takes time. Join communities. Share your experiences with others who feel the same. You're not alone, and there's power in collective learning. Tech anxiety doesn't have to control your relationship with technology. Instead, take charge, approach upgrades with curiosity, seek support, and celebrate small victories. Ready to face your next update without fear? Start today by mastering one new feature at a time. Together, we can turn tech anxiety into empowerment. Your digital journey awaits. Embrace it with confidence. And that's the end of this chapter of Dr. P.O.D. Reads. Thank you for joining me today as we uncovered another powerful piece from Dr. P.O.D.'s incredible blog collection. Your mental health journey is uniquely yours. Embrace each moment, each lesson, and each small victory. Progress may not always feel linear, but every step forward matters. If today's reading sparked something within you, take a moment to support the podcast by sharing it with someone who might need it, leaving a review, or subscribing to stay connected. Together, we can grow this community and spread the message of reflection and self-care. Until next time, be kind to yourself. Take a moment to breathe, reset, and embrace the strength you hold within. See you soon.